Hello and welcome to the calculator guide video on the Casio fx-991CW Plus UK unboxing. This calculator is part of the ClassWiz Plus scientific calculator range, released in the UK in 2026 to replace the previous CW range of calculators, which is going to be discontinued in July 26. I'd like to thank Science Studio for sending me a copy of this model of calculator. There's a link below in the description for you to go there and get yourself a copy of this calculator. So let's have a look in the box. Initially, we've got some information regarding the new ClassWiz Plus range. There is the fx-991CW Plus, but also the 83 and 85 models have been updated as well. Now, Casio have kindly provided some advisory notice about this update, recommending that going forward, it's the ClassWiz Plus that students should be encouraged to use in school and to be able to buy in shops. And that's certainly the approach that Casio are aiming for from the academic year 2026-27 and onwards, to use the CW Plus models in schools to supersede the old CW models. There's some information here about what's new and updated with the ClassWiz Plus models. You can see the calculator guide previous video on the first look at the fx-991CW Plus UK model to see more on that, but there's a brief summary here. It is a significant improvement on the CW range. They've ironed out some of the issues that teachers and students had with that calculator, but also it's important to note that it still meets all the regulations for UK qualifications. It's been designed specifically for use in the UK, this model, although I'm sure that internationally there'll be other models available too if you're watching from outside of the UK. Okay, and inside we have the box here. Just take that out and rearrange. Science Studio offer a really great feature, and that is to have your calculator engraved. And they've been very kind to engrave the calculator guide into the reverse of this calculator. You can see on the reverse of the box there is a comparison between the 83 and 85 GT-CW Plus models and the fx-991CW Plus UK model. It still has the pull-off casing on the front that we can slot in. See, the model looks very similar to the previous one. You've got second edition highlighted in here at the top, as well as the name of the calculator. And if we go to home, you can see, as discussed in the first look video, you've got the shortcut menus here. You can access things by pressing the number, which was something that was sadly missed on the original CW range. And another feature that I'll just highlight is if we input a fraction, get an improper answer, we can use the format key as a toggle there. That's a lot easier than having to select from the menu every time. In the box we've also got the key startup instructions there for getting started. You can bring up a QR code on the calculator and scan it with your mobile device to bring up fuller instructions on that. And also keep a lookout on the calculator guide for future instructional videos based around the fx-991CW Plus UK model. If I line these up, we can see everything that was in the box there, the ClassWiz information, the additional information about the update box there, and the calculator. So all in all, a much improved version of the calculator there, definitely worth getting over the previous models as the previous model gets discontinued. If you're looking to purchase a new calculator, ready for school or ready for college or doing A-level maths, then you're looking to buy this model going forward and not the older model of CW, as that will be discontinued. It has several more updated features, but if you want to find out more about those, take a look back at the first look video on the fx-991CW Plus UK. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos, but that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you next time on the Calculator Guide.